Hey, it's John. Today I will do a review about Etoro and Plus500. First we talk about Etoro, later on about Plus500. Let's get started. We will talk about the benefits first. After that, we will talk about how to trade, how to use the copy trading system, how to avoid risks. And for last, we will talk about the bad things. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do it now. Let's talk about the benefits first. I will share few things you should know about Etoro. Let's speak about deposit. The minimum to get started is just $200. If you live in America or Australia, the minimum is $50. Etoro is worldwide company for CFDs. They exist since 2007. They're long time on the business and have high trust score. Etoro of course has regulation. They provide support 24 hours, 5 days a week. The minimum trade starts with just $1. And last thing, they work on more than 20 countries. Their platform supports all devices without bugs or lags. Let's take a look at the demo account they provide. It is free and for unlimited use. Sign up now to a demo account and let's take a look at the platform together. Links to sign up can be found below. As you see, I use a power rec. If you record videos as well, try it. So, this is the dashboard, very user-friendly and clean design. As you can see, I use virtual account, means demo account. You can try it as well. Let's buy a stock, for example Apple. I just choose the amount I want to buy and it's done. In this case I choose $200, you can choose any amount. Remember? You don't buy the asset but trade on the movement. Now let's look for other asset to buy, for example, Amazon. My favorite company. As you can see here, I buy it on a different way, by units. You can choose any unit or part of a unit. Quick click on order and another click here. Now we see my positions, my trades. The design is pretty amazing and the platform is so easy to use. Now let's check the trade markets. Let's try Bitcoin. I can put stop loss to minimize my risk. This will help me control my money on bad market. I can take leverage by 1 or by 2, leverage changes from asset to asset. And, I can take profit, means put order when to sell a Bitcoin. And of course, the way I want to use, buy dollars or buy units, that's the beauty of trading CFDs. One of the cool things on Etoro is, they have a lot of cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, 17 different cryptocurrencies. Another important thing, as you have noticed, this platform is self-service only. Nobody will annoy you, never. They have most of the main coins, that's pretty cool that you can trade on their price without actually buying them. Most of the platforms have just few crypto coins. Check this cool thing, the news feed. Let's try to search for Tesla. As you can see, we have a lot of news and tweets about this company. That's a nice place to get some more data and information about the company you are willing to trade. Just read what other people say or think about this company, get better understanding on what you are going to do. Etoro is kinda of social trading, this is kinda nice idea. You can look at stats to get even more information. The research works only for real account. But you can take a look at chart to see some history of the asset you are willing to trade. And, if you want, add it to your watch list. Now let's talk about the copy system. Basically, the system copies other traders' moves on similar asset to which you look. This way you can let other good traders trade for you. It's called social trading. Here we see other traders' stats, we can filter them by whatever we want, return, assets and more, this will help you choose the best trader for you. Now let's take a look at gold and see what we can find. You will see news list and updates. Below you will see accounts to copy, click on see more. Now we click on random account, the platform is so easy to use, we choose the amount and we are ready to go. We can play with the numbers, or play with ratio. Remember to try small first. Let's go down, see how many traders you can copy? Here you can add the trader to your watch list and follow his moves. You can see returns of every trader and how many people copy them. Let's click on random account and check his stats. This will give you all the information about the account that you want to copy. Spend some time finding good traders to copy. Check out what they say, what they trade, what is the number of wins and lose. This is very important for you. This is your money. Use it wisely. Let's talk about more benefits of Etoro. Low fees for trades. It is great for day trading. Great place for beginners to start. And last one, it's easy to get your money out. One click and up to 3 days. The best thing in Etoro, they provide education program for traders. This will help beginners to get started very easy. Even if you know how to trade, you can use it. Remember, knowledge is power. Now let's talk about ways to deposit or take money out. First one is PayPal. Second one is via credit card. Another way is via online banking or wire. Etoro has all online payments, like Yandex Neteller, Skrill and more. Now let's talk about how you can avoid risks. If you are a beginner, never loan money. This will make you do stupid mistakes. Try to trade for long periods, you will have more chances as beginner. Try demo first for few days, see how it feels. Read about assets you want to trade before doing any movement. Never be in rush, take your time and manage your money. Every day has its own new opportunities. Split your risk via many assets you understand or via many traders you can copy. Never rely on one asset or one copy trader. For beginners, trade only what you can lose. Pro traders work a bit different. And the last and most important tip. Use risk management tools like take profit or stop lose. Now let's talk about the bad things. Depends on your geo, there is a fee of $25 up to $50 when you take money out. Etoro does not provide signals for trades. Huge leverage, it is too big. Go for assets with lower leverage like 10 or 20. Ready to trade? Links can be found below. Hope you learned new things about Etoro and CFDs trading. Please subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more cool videos. First we start with the benefits of Plus500. Then, I will show the platform. I will explain how to trade. And of course, the bad things. Let's talk about the basic things first. Plus500 is regulated company with licenses. You can start with low amount as $100. Plus500 is the biggest company for CFDs around the world. It's one of the first CFDs companies. They exist since 2008. Alright, they have over 300,000 clients. They provide unlimited demo accounts. They work with over 50 countries. And of course, they have live support around the clock. Let's keep talking about the benefits and take a look at the platform. You can sign up for free demo account with me and we will go over the platform together. Remember, your capital is on risk while trading. Here we can see the dashboard. It's very simple and easy to use. Let's look for a stock, for example, Apple. Below we will see more suggestions for stocks to buy. Here we see the buy and sell price. Once we click there we decide how much money we use. Remember you can put any amount of money, does not matter how much the stock costs. Here we see the leverage, by 20. Remember, it changes from time to time from asset to asset. We can also choose price to sell the stock and, if price gets there, it will be sold automatically. Let's put 300 for example. Here we make stop lose. This way we make sure we won't lose too much money and minimize our risk. You see now that I am recording my screen with Etoro. If you do videos as well, check them out. See how user-friendly their platform? Amazing! Let's take a look at Netflix. Here we can see more data about it. We can choose any time frame we want. This will help you get a better understanding of how this asset behaves over time. Let's go over the assets. As you see, there are a lot of different assets. They have a lot of stuff to trade. As you can see the list. Let's take a look on other section, the popular assets. Remember, asset can be indices, forex, stocks and more. Let's look at silver now. You see the buy price, sell price and the price change based on your time frame. Here we can see all popular assets to trade. The design is very clear and easy to use. Just choose what you wanted to trade and start demo account. Sign up here for free demo. You can trade and try until you feel good enough to put money. Links can be found on the description below. Remember, your capital is on risk. Now, let's talk about spread. Let's look at oil. Can you see the spread? 0.02. Spread is the commission. Here we can see higher spread. It changes from time to time and from asset to asset. Below you can see some more data about the asset. Let's take a look again at Apple. To get more data, click Info. Very low spread, looks like the more common the asset the lower the spread. As you see, the leverage for Apple is by 20. Let's talk about more benefits you should consider before open an account there. While I was going through the platform, there were no lags. Means, it's more easy to trade and use the platform. It takes 30 seconds to open an account. Do not forget to verify your details. They have high leverage, up to 40. Depends on your country. And, this is self-service platform. No one calls you and annoys you. They have full transparency, no hidden fees. No deposit fee. What you deposit is what you can trade. It is easy to take your money out. No fees, it takes up to 3 days. And the last one. Risk management tools. So, how can you take money out or make a deposit? One of the ways is PayPal. Other option is via wire transfer. Of course you can invest with your credit card. And the last option is other online solutions like Scroll and Nettler. You can trade with them on all devices. Now let's talk about the bad things. Plus500 has no education, they do not teach you, provide you tips or share knowledge with you. There are no special features on the platform. Enough for beginner, not enough for professional trader. No news section. If you're willing to know more about a company, look outside of the platform. And the last thing. $10 fee for no activity. 3 months no active equals $10 fee. Hope you are ready to make some money. Remember, trading puts your capital on risk. If you like my content and have not subscribed yet, do it now. Your support helps me create more cool videos. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to like and make a comment. On the next video I will talk about investors' mind state, the secrets how to make money. All you need to know in one video.